Greetings, I want to show you how to make a Reddit app. Really simple. All you do is go to reddit.com/prefs/apps. Then you click on create a new app. Let's call it test. And we're going to choose web app. I'm using this for an end-to-end workflow and I need OAuth2. And that's why you need to pick web app. The description and about URL don't need to be anything. The redirect URL needs to actually be the redirect to N8N in this case, or whatever, let's say, automation tool you're using, whether it's Make or Zapier, and you say, I'm not a robot, and it's going to create the app for you, and really this is it. So you have now made an app with this being the client ID underneath the web app over here, and then the secret key for the app. And really those are the two credentials you need, and you're ready to go. And that was it.